Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can mark supplier invoices or bills as paid on MyT accounting software. To mark invoices as paid, we need to go to purchases, and either we can go through purchases overview or pay bill section. So purchases overview will show all invoices, including the ones which have been marked as paid already. So if I scroll to right, there is invoices which have been paid, and there is 3 invoices still to pay. To mark these invoices as paid, I need to click on Pay Bill and add information at the bottom of this pop-up screen. So date, I will select today's date, bank, will select my current account, and 667, that is if I have paid full amount. If I have paid only partial, I can add 500 and make payment. This would record 500 from total of 667 and will leave 167 still to mark as paid. To pay this bit out, I need to click on Pay Bill, select date, bank where I have paid it rest of an amount, and click Make Payment. Now this invoice has been marked as a paid. Other part or other place to mark invoices as paid is going through Pay Bills, and there should be bills which are available for payment here. So other payments have been deleted if I wish to. So to mark these invoices as paid, the same way, click Pay Bill, the same pop-up message, and select date when this has been paid and from which bank account, and click Make Payment. So in this episode I showed you how you can mark supplier invoices as paid on MyT accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to MyT accounting software tutorial, as well as my personal review of this accounting software. If you have not seen it yet, check it out.